Welcome to BTMsoft. Let's take a look at employee setup for payment processing. Click Staff, Employees, List. Select the employee you wish to set up. Click on the Payroll Details tab. Enter the employee's primary salary account. This is where the employee's net pay will go. An employee can add a second account and can split their earnings between the accounts. This amount will be deposited into the employee's savings account, provided their earnings are sufficient to do so. Select Payroll Setup for default items that will appear on the employee's payroll. To set up default gross pay, select Payment Base Rate and Payment Base. This amount will be recalculated into weekly or fortnightly pay. You'll also need to enter the employee's tax information to ensure proper withholding tax. More on this in another tutorial.